hold this real quick.
Here.
Yeah.
This month of March, we're celebrating National Nutrition Month.
And there we go.
Continuing the celebration of Breakfast Week, we partnered with Riverside High School Culinary students.
So when you guys whisk it, let me see your whisk, make sure you get it from the bottom and scraping it.
To teach elementary level students basic cooking skills. So this time we made whole grain pancakes from scratch.
It looks good and yummy. It looks like, smells like bananas. Smells like bananas.
They come from Riverside High School and they taught me a lot. They taught me how to make the pancakes.
Yeah, you guys are excited to eat them?
Yeah.
When we teach them cooking, we're not just teaching them cooking, but we're teaching them teamwork, how to communicate, how to be more organized, things like that.
Then let's try this. Delicious. I think I'm gonna make them for my sister and my brother and my mom and my dad.
Did they have fun? That's what I want them to have. I don't really care if, you know, the cup of pancakes just didn't flip right or if they didn't come out circular and perfect. I just wanted them to have fun. I was looking forward to those smiles.